आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 2 ऑफ BHU MSc Zoology Entrance Paper 2015. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 29. Flash pattern are species specific in most genera of fireflies and have been used by systematics to unmask the sibling species. This particular trait for taxonomic significance comes under molecular character, morphological character, ecological character, behavioral character. So the answer is option 4. Flash pattern are behavioral characters present in most genera of fireflies. Question number 30. Temporal isolation refers to isolation through time, isolation through temperature, isolation through space, isolation through strength. So correct answer is option 1. Isolation through time is referred as temporal isolation. Question number 31. Which one of the following four scientists drew attention to the four areas of inquiry: causation, development, evolution, and function of behavior? Nico Tinbergen, Conrad Lorenz, Carl von Frisch, or J. von Axel? So correct answer is option 1. Nico Tinbergen has major contribution in the field of inquiry, causation, development, and evolution and function of behavior. Question number 32. Some population of monarch butterflies migrate from roosting colonies and diapause, while the other population migrate but do not form colonies or enter into the diapauses, and still other monarch population do not migrate at all. Which of the following question is best related to the ultimate causation? तो अल्टीमेट काजेशन के अंदर वाई यूज़ किया जाता है, जबकि प्रॉक्सीमेट काज के अंदर हाउ यूज़ किया जाता है. तो इसमें ऑप्शन 3 करेक्ट है कि वाई शुड देयर बी माइग्रेटरी एंड नॉन माइग्रेटरी फॉर्म ऑफ मोनार्च. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 33. Fixed action pattern are shown even by animals that are reared in isolation. So correct answer is option 3. Question number 34. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of agnostic behavior pattern? तो agnostic behavior एक aggressive behavior है जो animals show करते हैं in order to survive, and during agnostic behavior animals show attack, submission, and threat display, but it not include grooming. So correct answer is option 4. Question number 35. An experiment was conducted by Dither and his co-worker to the study feeding mechanism in blowflies. When they cut a small nerve connecting the foregut and brain, flies becomes permanently hungry. This technique was known as transection. So correct answer is option 2. Question number 36. Ramsar Convention aims at the protection of wetlands. So correct answer is option 1. Ramsar Convention is associated with wetland conservation. Question number 37. The state bird of Uttar Pradesh is Asian quail, Saurus crane, great hornbill, house sparrow. So correct answer is option 2. Saurus crane is the state bird of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 38. Biodiversity hotspots in India are located in Andaman and Nicobar Island, are Lakshadweep Island and Deccan Peninsula, Western Ghat and Eastern Himalaya, Eastern Ghat and Brahmaputra Valley. So correct answer is option 3. Biodiversity hotspots in India are located in Western Ghat and Eastern Himalaya. Question number 39. Keystone species exert impact disproportionate to the abundance. कीस्टोन स्पीशीज़ जो है वो ओवरऑल इकोसिस्टम को बैलेंस रखती हैं और इनका एक ख़ास इम्पैक्ट होता है स्पीशीज़ अबंडेंस पर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. Higher level of endemism is a characteristic feature of mountain, island, plain, desert. So correct answer is option 2. Endemism means the species are present in specific geographical area, and this endemism is high in case of आइलैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 41. The coordinated interaction in the construction of organ by one group of alleles changing the behavior of an adjacent set of allele is known as induction, determination, coordination, differentiation. So correct answer is option 1. इंडक्शन के अंदर क्या है कि ये एक सेल्स जो है वो दूसरे सेल्स को स्टिमुलेट करते हैं फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गन. Question number 42. Proteins secreted by a cell or group of cells that alter the behavior or process of differentiation of adjacent cells are called as autocrine factor, paracrine factors, endocrine factors or factors. So correct answer is option 2. पैराक्राइन फैक्टर्स एक सेल से निकलने वाली प्रोटीन्स हैं जो कि साथ ही मौजूद सेल्स को स्टिमुलेट करती हैं फॉर डिफरेंशिएशन और टू चेंज हिज बिहेवियर. Question number 43. A labile phase. When a cell or tissue is placed in neutral environment, it follows a particular path of differentiation. This is termed as autonomous specification. So correct answer is option 3. Question number 44. The ability of cells to achieve their respective fate of differentiation by interaction with other cells is known as inductive determination, facultative differentiation, or autonomous specification, or conditional specification. So correct answer is option 4. The ability of the cells to achieve their respective fate of differentiation by the interaction with other cells is known as conditional specification. Question number 45. A cytoplasm that contains many nuclei is called syncytium, blastoderm, trophoectoderm, or polymorphonuclear. So correct answer is option 1. Syncytium is a cytoplasm which contains many nuclei. Question number 46. The cortical granule reaction seen in Sierchan egg help in blocking the polyspermy. This is a fastest block, slower mechanical block, or intermediate block, or membrane potential change. So correct answer is option 2. Cortical granule reaction in case of Sierchan is help in block to polyspermy, and this is a slower mechanical block to polyspermy. Question number 47. The molecules which act as a releaser of calcium from the intracellular compartment for activation of egg metabolism is inositol 1,4,5 triphosphate is a calcium chelator. Question number 48. Zuna glycoprotein 1, 2 and 3 of mouse are present on sperm head, egg nuclear membrane, sperm mitochondrial membrane or egg surface. So correct answer is option 4. The Zuna glycoprotein 1, 2 and 3 of mouse are present on the egg surface. Question number 49. Prior to sperm entry, the mature oocyte complete the first meiotic division, shedding one polar body and arrested at second meiotic division during prophase 1. Question number 50. Interning of cell sheet over the basal surface of an outer layer during early embryonic development is termed as involution. So correct answer is option 2. Question number 51. The meroblastic cleavage to seen in isolecithal egg, alecithal egg, telolecithal eggs or mesolecithal eggs. So correct answer is option 3. Meroblastic cleavage is seen in telolecithal eggs. Question number 52. A blastocele is formed during gastrulation, neurulation, annulation or cleavage division. So correct answer is option 4. A blastocele is a cavity that is formed during cleavage division. Question number 53. The main body of the chick embryo is contributed by epiblast, hypoblast, submarginal cavity or top layer of yolk. So correct answer is option 1. The main body of chick embryo is contributed by epiblast cells. Question number 54. The blastopore of amphibian embryo becomes in future the mouth, anus, blastocule, gut. So correct answer is option 2. The blastopore of amphibian embryo becomes anus. Question number 55. Due to interning of the cell sheet during gastrulation in frog embryo, a cavity is formed which grows in size as gastrulation progresses. This cavity is termed as archenteron. So correct answer is option 3. The cavity that is formed during gastrulation process is archenteron cavity. Question number 56. Due to gene mutation, if hind limb develops in place of four limbs in an animal, such transformations are termed as homeosis, homologous transformation, heterologous transformation, homeotic transformation. So correct answer is option 4, homeotic transformation, जिसके अंदर एक आर्गन जो है वो उसकी जो डेवलपमेंटल फेट है वो दूसरे आर्गन से रिप्लेस हो जाती है। तो अगर हैंड लिम्स की डेवलप हो जाता है फोर लिम्ब की प्लेस पे तो इसको हम नाम देंगे होम्योटिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का। Question number 57. The polarity of oocyte in Drosophila is set by a group of genes known as maternal genes. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 58. The thickened ectodermal layer of a tetrapod limb bird is termed as apical ectodermal ridge. So correct answer is option 2. Question number 59. The transition from a larval stage to an adult stage is termed as metamorphosis. So correct answer is option 3. Question number 60. If a hydra is cut into two pieces, then both pieces repatterning the existing tissues, forming two small hydra. Such regeneration is known as morpholexis. So correct answer is option